Defender 110 hardtop. This is a D350 X-Dynamic HSE. It's then been fully exterior style with wide arches, upgraded DRLs, Canards, pod lights, 22-inch wheels. It's only done 9 miles. It's VAT qualifying, 26 registration. And with it being the D350 X-Dynamic HSE, you've got the combo of the highest power diesel engine and the highest specification. It's then had the style that everybody looks for with that aggressive all black look, and we'll go through the detail of the kit. It's only done 9 miles. It's got air suspension, deployable Towbar, amongst other things which we'll cover throughout the video. But you get different elements and qualities of kits, but this is a fantastic kit this. So you've got bonnet inserts, wide arches, 22-inch wheels with a kind of wider arm than what we would usually get on a car like this. Air suspension has several benefits, but the big two are the improved ride, and then also for me, they look a little bit better the way they sit. Front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps, and with the 110, you always get the longer wheelbase, which then in turn gives you the bigger storage area. So if you are looking for a commercial vehicle and you need to carry something particular, something a little bit bigger than what you'd maybe be able to fit into a 90, you've then got your different storage compartments as well. So we have a lot of our customers who are making a business purchase because they have a VAT registered business, but then it probably overlaps with something that they might use on a weekend. They might go fishing, camping, something like that. Well, this is the perfect vehicle to do that in. Rear spoiler, full-size spare wheel cover, and then with the deployable Towbar, if you partner that with air suspension and the D350 engine, there isn't many cars that are better to tow with than that. Now, alongside the 26 registration and the 9 miles, if you link that together, you've then got a car that is in pretty much brand new condition, if not exactly brand new condition. You've then got manufacturer's warranty well into 2029, so there's no real conversation to be had about condition and warranty and maintenance, because that is all the same as it was when it was brand new. Another feature that they opted for from new was the dark cross beam, which basically removes all of the lighter plastics, but with the car being triple black exterior, it kind of makes sense to do that on the interior as well. With it being a two-seater, you've got the new wireless charger in front, storage compartment, even bigger media screen than ever before, which has your navigation, telephone, media, cameras in a second when it loads up. You've even got a towing specific mode with it being a factory deployable Towbar, heated seats, cooled seats, everything really. And the reason that we sell so many Defender commercials is people are looking at probably, which is one of the very few financially savvy ways of buying a vehicle in a business name, is the commercial Defender. It's why we sell so many of them, and then you get to drive the Defender, which is fantastic. So heated wheel, adaptive cruise, and again to reiterate that engine, D350 X-Dynamic HSE with the look that this car's got. Whenever we get them, they sell instantly, because to go and get one from Land Rover you can't, because they don't look in this way, and then you might have to wait 6 months, 12 months, quite a complicated process. This car is here and ready to go tomorrow. So if you're interested, pick up the phone, give me a call, questions about how you would buy it. You might even have a part exchange you want to get rid of. You might just want to pay for it in full and come and pick it up tomorrow. Well, you can do all of those, but contact me on my mobile number at the end of the video, and I look forward to speaking to you.